In this video, we are going to see how we can insert or embed a PDF document link directly into a Google Doc document so that you can easily open and access different PDF documents directly from Google Docs. So as soon as we click on this, you can see that this is a PDF document which is open right away directly from Google Docs. So what you can do is, first of all, just make sure that you have that PDF document uploaded to Google Drive. If not, you can just click on new, click on file upload, and wherever it is, you can choose that location and upload it. After that, you just scroll down, locate that PDF document, click on the three dots and click on share and copy the link. Let me just remove it to show you from scratch. So once you have copied the link, if we paste it here, the moment you paste it, it will automatically show you that you need to press tab to replace it with a PDF document style icon. So press tab and it will be converted right away. As you can see, not only it has a PDF little link, it has a button style. You can even rename it if you want to. And once we hover over it, it shows the complete preview about this PDF document. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.